Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add subtitles in Capcut. So if you have any video and you also created subtitle for that video and now you want to add it to or merge to the video, so how to do it? In this video I will show you how to do it. Now first I am going to just add new project and click on the import. Okay, now here I am going to add this video. Okay, import this video, and now I'm going to add to the track. Now here in the text, here you will see many options, but you have to go to the text. So in the text you will see two options. Okay, first is auto caption. So if you have not created any subtitle, you can just choose auto caption, and it will create auto captions for the video. Okay, you will see like this. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remove background of any like this. It will create auto captions. Okay, you can choose the language from here and then you click on create. And if you have already created the subtitle and you want to add it, here you will see local caption option. Just click on import and you will see support SRT, LRC or SS captions. So now you have to just import it and then choose the file from the desktop or downloaded wherever you have downloaded it, and then you can just import and you will see that subtitle has been added. So like this you can add subtitles in CapCut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.